Welcome to this extraordinary 116-acre retreat in Oxford, Arkansas, where privacy, seclusion, and nature converge. This off-grid Ozark property features a charming cedar log cabin perched beside its very own 3-acre private lake, creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation, hunting, or weekend escapes. Rustic comfort while keeping you connected to nature. Access the property through a gated entrance and meander down wooded trails that wind through mature timber, connecting to established food plots, hunting areas, and natural springs. The land provides exceptional habitat for deer, turkey, and even bear, offering opportunities for avid hunters or wildlife enthusiasts. Mature bucks have been harvested here, showcasing the quality of the game and natural resources. Whether you are seeking a secluded hunting cabin, a weekend getaway, or a full off-grid lifestyle, this Arkansas property delivers unmatched potential and tranquility. The combination of water, woods, wildlife, and privacy makes it a rare find in the Ozarks. Shown by appointment only, this property invites you to experience true outdoor living in a breathtaking setting. Don't miss the chance to make this one-of-a-kind retreat your very own.